Warriors, welcome to this video, my friends. A very important video to understand how to wake up in the morning properly and what not to do in the morning upon waking if you suffer from anxiety. Very important video. I mean, habits, patterns are everything. So I'm going to reveal to you the 5 things that you must not do when you wake up in the morning. I hope that's fair. Comment below if you're ready to make these changes and if you relate to some of these things that I'm about to talk about. Number 1 thing you don't want to do is go to your cell phone. Don't go to your cell phone. Work, news feeds, social media, all that stuff can wait for a later time. Please, the first 30 minutes upon waking is for you. It's for self-love. Is for guidance of your mind. Where do you want to go today, mind? What's my day going to look like? Imagining the best possible scenarios that are going to happen today. Meditation. I don't care, yoga, whatever you want to do. Just please don't become bombarded by information first thing upon waking up in the morning. The second thing is, please don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is so important for your willpower points that will contribute to you making those small and large decisions throughout the day. If you have that breakfast, you will deal with your sensations better. If you have that breakfast, you will begin to practice rational and logical ways of seeing your internal and external challenges as you go through the day. I want to suggest a protein-based, high-fat, good breakfast in the morning and staying away from sugary cereals and strictly toast, these sorts of things. So becoming conscious of the fact that you are eating and what you're eating. All right? Very important. Don't skip breakfast. Number 3 is unconsciously breathe. You'll notice that when people wake up in the morning, they start to gear towards catastrophic possibilities with anxiety. This is going to happen, and then I'm going to run into this problem, and how am I going to deal with this? Oh my God, I'm such a this, and so on. What starts to happen is you unconsciously breathe, meaning the fight, flight, or freeze response is now triggered through your amygdala. Then what starts to happen is you begin to shift your brain's filter system. All of a sudden, just because of the way that you're breathing, these signals are sent to your nervous system, meaning everything in the outside world is scary, is dangerous, should be avoided, and you tiptoe around the day. I see it over and over and over again with the people that I work with through the program. We got to change this. We have to take control of our breathing consciously in the morning. And I want to suggest something that I did, to pay attention to your out-breath, your exhale. Your exhale must be longer than your inhale. This turns on the parasympathetic system, meaning you're resting and digesting. And all of a sudden now, wow, people look different. The trees look different. The dogs look different. The wind looks different. My environments look different. I look different. It's incredible how when you change something in your inner world, how you perceive things in the outer world begin to change. The 4th thing that you want to make sure that you don't do is make too many small decisions in the morning. This will eat up your willpower quicker than anything else. Small decisions. What am I going to wear? What exact breakfast am I going to have? Am I going to shower? Am I not? Whatever it is. Plan these things the night before. Automate your morning the night before so you don't have to run around in the morning making all these small decisions that, again, make a massive impact on the way you feel and how you interpret things as you go through the day. We're talking a lot today about interpretations. So much of it is the way that you start the day. I recognize that depending on how I start my first hour of the day, will truly lead to different perceptions, different feelings and emotional states as I go through the day. Comment below if this is the same for you. Number 5 thing you don't want to do is rush. You don't want to rush around. You want to plan in advance. You want to wake up 10, 15, 20 minutes earlier than you normally do, and you want to make sure that your speed is a neutral speed, because your nervous system is picking up on these signals. It's picking up on your thoughts. It's picking up on your reactions, your actions. It's picking up on your breathing. It's picking up on your posture. It's picking up on your speed. So if you rush, again, you're sending fight or flight, high awareness, very sensitized signals to your nervous system. We can't afford this. Now, warriors, let's get to a place in our lives here today where we understand that these are things that are in your control. They are not out of your control. Leave the excuses behind. Put them away, okay, for the next 21 days to build these habits. Oh, but I'll never. Put it away, right? Oh, but I got to get ready quick in the morning. Put it away. You can find a solution, because all of these things that I've mentioned you have control over. If you have control over something, it will greatly affect your emotional state. You just have to tweak it, and you just have to make it a habit. I love you so very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for all the notifications for my videos. And if you have any questions on the anxiety exit and the anxiety program, head on over to the website here. I'll see you really, really soon. You are more than anxiety.